Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The Ian Fleming International Airport began its inaugural flights on Thursday from the provincial area of Turks and Caicos. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a happy moment for St. Mary and Jamaica. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV.
Yes,
and if this is your first time tuning in,
I'm Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're running Fort Lauderdale Beach.
Have a great relationship. St. Mary, Jamaica, the Ian Fleming International Airport on Thursday welcomed its inaugural flight from the provincial area in Turks and Caicos. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a happy moment. The arrival of the flight signal a positive signal for the intra-regional travel, which has taken an hiatus since the corona pandemic has hit in March 2020, resulting in US $1 billion lost in revenue. To lead the way for recovery, the flight from Turks and Caicos is expected to further drive air traffic and connectivity between Jamaica and the rest of the region, a move proudly supported by the chairman of International Caribbean, Lyndon Gardiner. Only the sun can cover the Caribbean better than we do. We look forward to making many more happy landings, he said, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett. In welcome the flight said that the process for the air connectivity have significant heightened by the introducing of these new flight. Today, beginning a new chapter in terms of the pieces of geographic in Jamaica and the rest of the world. During the recovery, we will bring a lot more new market here, he stated. The addition to the flight from Turks and Caicos will schedule to make one more trip before transitioning to once a week, adding to growing numbers of international flight scheduled to run out of at the Ian Fleming Airport. Early this year, major air carrier American Airlines also said that it would also begin its flight November 5th, twice a week to the international airport between Miami and Ocho Rios. Though this embarks a 175 region jet, which can seat up to 88 passengers. Ladies and gentlemen, on the here what going down in a St. Mary, I want to big up my General Val, because St. Mary I get busy. The additional flights to the airport will realize a long-standing dream of the former hotel businessman mogul Gordon Butch Stewart, who for decades lobbied for greater use of the facility and scheduled international flight operation out of the airport. Stewart believed the small gateway seated in Oracabessa, St. Mary, carries the potential to open up a new wave of tourist opportunity and economic development in the northeastern end of the island. Okay? Now, the popular tourist town and attraction there is seething and waiting for the improvement and the injection of financial stability into the economy. The Minister Bartlett said that the country should be used the new development at the airport as a game changer for the Boscobel area. Previously known as Boscobel Aerodrome, the small airport located approximately 15 kilometers away from the resort town of Ochi is named after the famous author of the James Bond fiction series of spy novel, Ian Fleming. The facility officially became a port of entry in 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, the international airport is now adorned by a brand new police station. So on don't go a St. Mary go try on a idiot arms house at the Ian Fleming Airport. It has welcomed its first international scheduled flight, and the flight came in from Turks and Caicos, and the people there in St. Mary are elated, looking at the opportunity that's possible for that community. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, bringing you the good news out of Jamaica. The Ian Fleming Airport there in Boscobel, St. Mary has received its first flight. And remember, starting November 5th, American Airlines will be flying in twice a week. And more life, and more joy, and of course, and more happiness. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment. Big up all of my St. Mary fans them, and my family them in a St. Mary. Big up yourself, Valeria. You know, say your place turn up right now. And more life and more joy. Of course,
hello,
more
my name
happiness.
is Ashina, and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.